We have got a massive unboxing. So not all of my parcels have arrived yet, guys, so I am still waiting on, like, I think 1 or 2 things. I still haven't got the plates. I haven't got the trucker jacket, which I have already sold. So if you were interested in that, unfortunately that's sold now. I've still got the pants and a few jerseys left, but that's about it, so go check it out. Like I said, a lot of the stuff that I bought during the live cop was just for personal anyway, so a lot of it is going to be, you know, tried on. Today we're going to have an actual unboxing of me trying stuff on, and I cannot wait. Leave a like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. Take a look. The camera is a little bit weird today. Start with a few bits. I've actually already opened one of the boxes because I was kind of interested in seeing what it was. So yeah, let's go check it out. Like I said, I've already opened one of the boxes, you know, wanted to take a look, a little dandy. But yeah, it seems like they're still giving out Hysteric Glamour stickers. They must have a lot of these, so yeah, we've got a bunch of these. That'll be all going to my accessory collection because I actually, you know, collect the accessories because they're free, so why not? But yeah, we've got the hats. These are the Frazetta hats. I must say, I'm a big fan of these. These look really nice. We have both colorways. We have the orange colorway and the black colorway. I thought this would be a red just based off the logos. So I got the black one right, but I didn't get the this one right, so it didn't pick up on the bot. But I did manually like purchase these on the phone afterwards. Really easy to cop. They were in stock for quite a while anyway, so which I'm kind of surprised. But you know, I do like them. So we're gonna try on this one because this was my favorite one. Got the orange one as well. Not sure about the retail price. Not too bad. I do like it. Look at it. We got the black one here. I do like the design on this one compared to the orange one. You can see it a lot more better. I mean, to be fair, you can see this a lot more on the brim of the brim of the cap. Not sure what this setting's on. Is it on the smallest setting? Looking very nice. Let's see if it looks. I need a haircut. I will say this. So yeah, I won't say this looks the best looking on me, but you know, I do like the design of the hat. I think it looks sick. I'm pretty sure everything has arrived, like I said, except for the trucker jacket and the plates, because there's no big plates in it. And if the plates are in this, then, you know, that's not good from Supreme. But let's check it out, let's see what we got. No, it is the right one. This is the jersey, right. I got 3 of these, by the way, because I wanted a personal one, but obviously you can't just, like, rely on one task. So I got lucky and got 3 of them. So I got 3 of them in an XL. So yeah, I kind of like the oversized look, but hopefully in the future as we lose another 20 kilos, this will look even better on me. But yeah, this is sick. Like I said, I've got 2 more of these, so I'm going to try this on. The paper. Ooh. Okay, this has kind of got stuck on the back of the print actually. It's still like wet. This probably could clean off. It's got a bit of sticky stuff on the back, but yeah, it's like a polyester kind of cotton. It's not like a cotton jersey, if you know what I mean. But yeah, extra large. Very nice. If I go back, you might be able to see it. But yeah, we got this. I'll probably do some B-roll stuff on this as well, just so it's a lot easier to see. But yeah, we got the Supreme 9 in the back. I really dig this jersey, and we got the crazy artwork on the front. That is sick, look at that. But yeah, I'm going to try it on. See you in a minute. Alright, we're now back. We've got the jersey on body. So you guys are going to have to let me know what it looks like. So yeah, I think this looks sick. And let me just go and adjust this to see what it looks like. Got the jersey over here. I don't think you can see it from this distance. I'm so crap when it comes to like making videos. But yeah, like I said, we got the jersey here. We got the Supreme 9 on the back. You know, if I got a crooked neck, I do not have a clue. Do I have gamer neck? But yeah, we got the Supreme 9 on the back. I think it's sick. I love this jersey. I think I like it more than the Star jersey that I bought at resale. So I'm kind of glad I got this retail. But yeah, this is sick. Guys, what do you think? Did you manage to hit on the jersey? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, let's get back onto the video. A little thing that I always do is I always like to keep the bags. You never know. People want to know if I decide to sell my used stuff. I want to make sure it's real. I always keep the bags. Jeans are not for me personally, even though they are in my size. I just kind of like them. I just thought they were really cool. These are the Frazetta jeans, size 36. I'm not sure if you can actually see it. I don't know if the lighting is a bit flat, but yeah. kind of like faded in my opinion. It's not as bright as it was, but I think it just goes down to like lighting on Supreme. Obviously they use the best lighting to showcase everything, so yeah, that is pretty cool. These are for sale if you are interested in these. Let me know. No, it's not. It's the jersey. I got bamboozled. I nearly cut into that. That would have been terrible if I did. Another jersey, guys. In an XL. I think this is another jersey. I don't think I bought 4 jerseys. That would be another jersey. Wrong way around. Another jersey. I was not lying when I said I hit on 3 jerseys. So that's 3 jerseys. But those are massive. So I really don't have a clue whether or not these are any bigger. These definitely do look big, I must tell you that. Like they go all the way down there. Oh my god. I'm kind of glad I went for the large. These are the Def Dealer shorts in the large. Really, really cool pattern. Really, really nice. Could these work as like swimming shorts? That'd be kind of cool. Like to go in the jacuzzi after the gym. Cool to wear. Probably not the way they feel. But yeah. We got the shorts right here. Supreme 9 here. If I can show you it there is. The 9 there, it's just printed. Yeah, it's just a simple print. Is there anything else? We got the embroidered patch here as well. As well as the Supreme print at the bottom, which is just a print and not embroidered. It's kind of lame, but yeah, these are large. These definitely look like they're gonna fit me. Like I said, I thought when they say soccer shorts, I'm assuming they're like, you know, soccer shorts for like football, but like, and those are quite small. But no, these are like designer ones. They even got ropes in them. That's cool. Right, I'm gonna try these on. Right, hopefully you guys can see me, but I am wearing the shorts. Very great length. By the way, this is a large for reference. I am like 5'11" on a good day. But yeah, I'm wearing the entire getup. I would not recommend wearing all of this at once. Maybe piece by piece. But yeah, this is kind of crazy, just wearing the entire setup. But yeah. Alright, we have got one last item for you guys. Probably the best to last in my opinion. Second being the plate, but it's not arrived unfortunately. Although that plate was a little bit too expensive. This was the one item that I wanted since, you know, the drop out. We got a Supreme sticker, which is bent. We have got the zip up hooded sweatshirt with Frazetta. Looking amazing. This is the black size large. What more can you ask for? Personally, I love it. I hope you guys were able to cop this on drop. I think it was relatively easy. Although here in the UK it sold out in just over a minute, like everything does in the UK. Same for the jerseys, I think they're sold out really quick. And I'm not sure what other items dropped out really quick. There was like some other like lookbook items that were kind of under the radar, which completely sold really quick. But yeah, this is on a print. It's got Supreme on there. I love the smell of it. I will say this, the print's kind of, is it faded? I don't know. Another one of those, but yeah, this looks sick. Honestly, sick hoodie. I think you can see it. We got the Frazetta back print. We got the arm prints here. Very, very nice. And then we've also got another design. The man himself, Frazetta, with the riding the horse. My sister loves this, she like loves horses. Yeah, we're gonna try it on, because why not? We're gonna try on the entire getup. And the rest of them are large anyway, so. Woohoo! We got the Frazetta in action. This is sick. I go for large, it's normally like a croppy kind of style. I think extra large is just way too big on the arms in my opinion, but yeah, I think it just fits perfectly fine with me. Like I said, if I lost like another 10 kilos, it would look even better, which is the goal. So yeah, this shit in the future is gonna look even more better on me. This is what we got. By the way, this is a size large for reference. Anybody is interested, I'm just wearing the entire getup. I would never wear all this in one go. So yeah, this is just like a single piece. I just think it's sick. Not gonna lie, sick piece. Absolutely amazing. Great job by Supreme and Frazetta doing this collaboration. I'm not gassed out yet. But anyway, guys, I'm going to end off this video because it's going to be quite a long video for this unboxing. But yeah, I'll cut it down a lot. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more of it. Like I said, I do have some other stuff that I've still got left for sale. If you are interested in anything, if you are from the UK, if you want something, let me know. So yeah. I don't have any more of these. I only got this once. I only got the shorts once as a personal. The jersey one was for me, but I've got the loose fit jeans, 2 jerseys. I think that's it. So yeah, that's all I've got left for this collaboration. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos in the future. I will be seeing you in week 16 of Supreme. We got Supreme Dickies coming up. So yeah, and we also got the Palace Uggs. Kind of crazy. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Take care. Peace.